negative thought at 7 a.m. doesn't ruin your day. You do by watering it. Welcome to the 5-Minute Cipher. Science tells us a fascinating truth about human emotion. When you get angry or triggered, the chemical storm in your bloodstream only lasts for 90 seconds. That is it. Like a sudden rain shower, the emotion comes and it naturally passes. But if you are still furious 10 minutes later, if you are still replaying that argument in your head hours later, you are actively watering the weed. The next time a negative thought takes root, look at your watch. Give it 90 seconds to wither. Remember this cipher. Don't fight the weed, just stop watering it. If you found your key today, subscribe. Now sit in the sun and let the 90 seconds pass.